Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, let's have a look at these three examples here. So we're going to try to draw a straight line here first of all, just to separate them. And I don't know what's happened to my colors there. Okay, here we go. Bismillah again. Oh, that's better. Right. When you rationalize the denominator, to rationalize the denominator means to turn the denominator, which is currently in a square root format, in a surd format, into a whole number. Now let's have a look at how we do that. To rationalize any square root, so we have a square root. How do we turn a square root into a whole number? What do? We multiply it by itself. Okay, so root 2 is an irrational number on the bottom. If you put that in the calculator, it'll give you some number that will just go on forever, decimal number. It won't give you a nice whole number or whatever. Okay. So to turn root 2 into a rational number, we multiply it by itself. Now if I do that to the bottom, I must also do it to the top. So that will give us what? Now what is root 2 times by root 2? 2. Now can we cancel? Mr. Honey, can we cancel? This is your new note. Are you copying it down? Yeah. You are. Oh, yes. Okay. So what's my final answer?
2 root 2.
2 root 2. Okay. Now, okay. So the bottom has been cancelled completely. And we got a third on the top now. But has the denominator been rationalized? Yes. So it doesn't matter that we got now a third on the top. That's irrelevant. The most important thing is we have got to remove the third from the bottom. Lovely. Now 5 over root 7. This is the fraction here. We want to rationalize the denominator to the bottom number. So the way to rationalize root 7 is to multiply it by itself. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So we simply get on the top 5 root 7. And on the bottom we get root 7 times by root 7, which will give us 7. Now can we do anything further with this question? No. So we leave it there. The next question. Okay, we have 1 over 3 root 11. What do we multiply by now? Now remember, we've got 3. Is 3 is it a root? No. Do we need to rationalize the 3? No. So what we need to rationalize here, the root 11. Remember, 3 is multiplied by the root 11. So all we need to multiply by here again is still root 11. So on the top you'll have 1 time by root 11, which is just basically what?
Root 11.
On the bottom you have 3 multiplied by root 11 multiplied by root 11. When you multiply a root by itself, it gives you what?
11.
Gives you the whole number inside. So that gives you 3 times by 11. What's 3 times by 11?
33. So it would be 33 root 11. Oh.
There. So we started off with the surds at the bottom. Now we have no surds above it. The bottom number has become a rational number. So you've been successful in our objective. The objective is to rationalize the bottom. Now you might say, okay, so you rationalize the bottom, but you put a surd on top. That's not your problem. Yeah, that's what we tend to get. We tend to get the surd coming to the top. But the objective was to turn the bottom number into a rational number. Are we happy with those 3 questions? Yeah. Now let me give you some nice, easy questions for you to try over here. Let's do 1 over root 5, 2 over root 3, 10 over root 11. Some nice, easy peasy ones. Five over root 13. Okay, there's some couple of questions for you guys to try now. Who's doing the first question? So times that by root 5. Times that by root 5. That gives you root 5 over 5. Because don't forget root times by a root is the number inside. So times this one by root 3. Times this one by root 3. That gives you what? 2 root 3 over
3.
3. Nice. 2 questions already done easily and quickly.
Stop scrolling it, man.
We got 2 more questions left to do.
You have a phone again.
Let's quickly finish up these 2 questions, and then we can grab our homeworks and make a move. Come on, Mr. Han, do the 2 questions on the bottom now.
I am.
Okay, good.